learn the kidney acupoints of the kidney meridian of foot Shaoyin. The key point I'm going to teach you is key I1. Everyone may be familiar with the key I1 because this is one of our 5 transport acupoints. What is it? It is the well point of the original meridian. So this is also beginning of this meridian. So let's first look at where this acupoint located. On the sole, the depression when the foot is arched. The point is at the junction of the 1/3 and 2/3 on the line connecting the second and the third metatarsal bones and the sole. Let's take a look at the position video first. KI1 is on the sole, in the depression when the foot is arched. The point is at the junction of the 1/3 and 2/3 on the line connecting the second and the third metatarsal bones of the sole. Next, we'll look at the indications. In our textbook, the indications include the 6th one. The first is emergencies and mental illness syndromes, such as fainting, heat stroke, pediatric, convulsion, epilepsy, etc. The second is headache, dizziness, blurred vision, insomnia. The third is hemoptysis, sore throat, throat paralysis, aphonia, and other lung disease. The fourth is constipation and dysuria. The fifth is uprushing gas syndrome. The sixth is feveration in soles. Let's talk about the indication and the efficacy together. It has the effect of inducing resuscitation and tranquilizing mind, so it can be used for first aid, not only for the coma of the prostration syndrome, but also the coma of the blockage syndrome. And there are differences in manipulation. If it is a coma of the prostration syndrome, we will use moxibustion to treat. If it is a coma of blockage syndrome, we will treat it with pricking blood. The second one is to treat pediatric convulsion and epilepsy. I just said this is a mental illness, and this point is often used clinically. The third is dizziness and headache of iron deficiency of liver and kidney. KI1 is that often used clinically to introduce resuscitation and tranquilize mind based on its effectively aware point. Professor Wu of Tianjin University of Traditional Chinese Medicine is good at treating disease with 5 center points. They also use being recorded in ancient books. 5 center points refer to the Bai Hui point on the top of the head, the Laogong points on the hand, and the KI1 on the sole of the foot. There are 5 points in total, so they are called 5 center points. 5 center points are also commonly used to wake up the brain and induce resuscitation to treat mental illness. Now, let's look at the second function, which is to revive the yang for resuscitation. It is used for the treatment of limb colds, cold pains under the knees, twitching, frostbite, and the symptoms caused by this yang deficiency. Maybe a lot of girls who have this kind of experience in the winter. The limbs will be cold. The limbs may not be warm after sleeping for a long time at night. This is because the circulation function of the extremities is not good. From the view of the traditional Chinese medicine, it is because of the insufficient yang, which cannot reach the limb. This can be treated with KI1. For example, if frostbite grows on hands to feet, we can apply moxibustion at KI point, and the frostbite will heal slowly. The third is the effect of regulating defecation. Whether it is defecation or urination. This syndrome differentiation must be related to kidney deficiency. That is to say, the treatment of defecation at this point must be caused by kidney deficiency. For example, the dryness of the stool caused by kidney yin deficiency, difficult urination, constipation of cold type, diarrhea before dawn caused by kidney yang deficiency. In this situation, we can treat with Ki1. But if it is an excess syndrome, such as constipation caused by instantial excess heat syndrome, if we use this point, the effect was not good. The fourth point is clear away the damp heat from the throat. This acupuncture can be used to treat sore throat, dry tongue, aphonia. It has the effect of guiding fire to origin and nourishing kidney yin to treat the syndrome of yin deficiency and fire exuberance, which is called treating upper body disease through the lower body. When we talk about the meridian circulation, we said that this meridian follows the throat up to the bilateral side of the root of the tongue. It is also because acupuncture can treat the symptoms of the organs where the meridian passes or it is connected. In the clinic, we often use it to treat pharyngitis, most of the throat swelling and pain caused by kidney yin deficiency. But clinically, there are the throat swelling and pain of the kidney yang deficiency. Its degree of the redness is generally not as obvious as that caused by kidney yin deficiency, and the pain is not very strong, but it always makes people feel pain. This kind of sore throat usually belongs to the deficiency of kidney yang. Both throat swelling and pain caused by kidney yin deficiency or kidney yang deficiency can be treated with Ki1. The fifth one is relieving cough and asthma. It is mainly used to treat cough and asthma caused by deficiency of lung and kidney qi, or failure of the kidney in receiving qi. When we talk about the meridian circulation, did this meridian pass through the lung? I said that the purpose of learning the circulation of meridians is to remember the organs connected to it, which is related to the efficiency of acupuncture we learned later. It is mainly used to treat cough and asthma caused by deficiency of lung and kidney qi, or failure of the kidney in receiving qi. The therapeutic effect of cough and asthma caused by other disease is not very good. The sixth point is to regulate menstruation and tonify the kidney, mainly to treat disease of the reproductive system, especially those caused by kidney deficiency, whether it is kidney qi deficiency, kidney yang deficiency, kidney yin deficiency. It can also be used to treat the lower back pain of the kidney deficiency. Thusly, if the syndrome differentiation is related to the kidney deficiency, Ki1 can be selected for treatment. The seventh one is effect of receiving pain through the clearing and activating the channels and collaterals, mainly used for the treatment of lower limb hemorrhageous foot and ankle pain syndrome. This is a local therapeutic effect, of course. It can also be used for the symptoms of the organs where the meridian passes or it is connected. For the treatment of lower limb paralysis and plantar pain, we can focus on the Ki1. The eighth is the effect of purging fever, mainly to treat feverishness in soul. In fact, we use Ki1 not only for the above disease. There are many stickers on the market and clinically about the sole of the feet, which are actually applied on Ki points. These stickers may differ in prescription of each disease. This is also a widely used aspect of Ki point. Finally, we will study the acupuncture manipulation of Ki point. Generally speaking, you can acupuncture for 1.5 to 1 cun on the sole of the foot, but pay attention to whether there are any arteries. If so, avoid them. If not, you can puncture 0.1 to 1 cun perpendicular. Do not puncture too deeply. To prevent the step the plantar artery arch, clinically I often use drug stickers or moxibustion treatment. Now there are many people who put various kinds of stickers on the soles of the feet. There are many different drugs in the stickers, so this is also a commonly used clinical manipulation theory. The other is moxibustion. We can choose a variety of moxibustion methods. Suspended moxibustion is also possible. Suspension moxibustion is the most common used in clinic. The modern moxibustion methods can also be used. We've finished our introductions about KR1. I hope you will go back and review.